స్టెప్ బ్యాక్ వచ్చేయండి అన్న కొంచెం వెనక్కి వచ్చి ఇక్కడ దాకా నిలబడి వెనక్కి వచ్చేయండి బ్రో బ్రో ప్లీజ్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ వెనక్కి వచ్చేయండి ఇక్కడ దాకా నిల్చున్నారు లాస్ట్ వరకు నిల్చున్నారు సార్ అన్న వెనక్కి వచ్చా
This was the Lifetime Achievement Award, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to Dr. S.K. Chaudhary, Dr. B. Venkateshwarlu and Dr. K.P.R. Vittal. We are also giving the award to Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao sir, and we will be handing over the award to him in Delhi. Dr. Alok Kumar Sikka is former Deputy Director General of NRM Division and the next award for Honorary Fellow goes to Sri Yogendra Kumar. The J. Venkateshwarlu Award for 2020. The next out, Dr. K. Gopinath and Dr. M.S. Shira. The next award in this category goes to Dr. B. Venkateshwarlu. The next award in the Lifetime Achievement category goes to Ali. The next award goes to Dr. K.P.R.
Vittal, known by Sheshadri. The International Guest House of Krida is named Godavari. The TTC hostel will be
some private companies are working with the farmers, giving them the benefit of carbon farming, how to reduce emission of greenhouse gases, how to enrich the soil with organic carbon, because organic carbon is the life of soil. If organic carbon content of any soil is good, that soil is bound to be healthy and productive. So these are some of the aspects, and also at the same time, crop insurance program is a quite very big program, because whatever you do, if there is some kind of crop loss, farmers will be in very great difficulty. So how to help them with crop insurance and several other kinds of things are also there. I shall request Dr. Chaudhary also, because Dr. Chaudhary in ICAR headquarters, he is the person who is overall in charge of all these natural resource management and also the climate change activities from the council. Dr. Chaudhary, if you can add a few more things from this.
As agriculture and the climate resilient agriculture program, many states actually the story starts from this institute. As referred by our Director General, the very important flagship program called NICRA, which is a national initiative or innovation in climate resilient agriculture. We have successfully demonstrated climate resilient technology all across the country in 151 very important districts. Presently, we are working in 446 or now 448 villages. We made those villages climate resilient villages. And taking clue from this success, Government of India is also planning in a big way and bringing 50,000 villages as a climate resilient villages. And this success was really, it has worked as a torch-bearing impact. And many states came forward, like Maharashtra state with 5,000 villages, state of Odisha, state of Bihar, and many more states are coming up with the climate resilient agriculture program. As our DG has said, despite of climatic aberrations, despite of climate extremes, weather extremes, the India's food production has not gone down significantly. In some pockets, the terminal heat was prevalent, but despite of prevalence of terminal heat, the wheat production and production of many more crops was not reduced significantly. it speaks about the preparedness of India towards climate change. And this speaks about the India's resilience to climate change. And so far, adaptation approach is concerned, almost all the states of India, they have one or the other kind of program. Government of India is serious, but state governments are also serious. The first question you raised, which state, that kind of ratings we do not have. ICR doesn't work on that.